Hi, I just got this new office and gaming chair. First off, I just like the way this looks, the design of it. It is going to come with a couple of things that are a little bit of a surprise. It does come with 2 pillows so that you can make this adjustable and comfortable for yourself. It does come with your a lift, and then it also comes with a recline, and I'll show that later. It is made with the soft PU leather, so that's also a really added benefit. It does come with a strong metal frame that will hold up for a long time. And then probably the most surprising thing on this is it has a pull-out reclining option to put your feet up and then also to tilt back. So just to kind of show you what that might look like, and I'll turn this chair sideways, I can put my feet up here and recline at the same time, which I've never had a chair that did that before. So it's a really cool feature. So as you can see, this chair has just a really cool look to it. It's got some nice stitchings. And then it has like this cool sewn on display right here. That's really cool. And then this movable headrest. One of the most important things about this chair is that it has one added benefit. It is a massaging chair. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and then you'll see how that works. All right. So this here, you could probably hear it. This is making a vibration. So as you're gaming, you're relaxing, you can also get a nice massage while you do it. All right. So at the desk, this is really cool. It does have all those functions that an office chair does. So the lowering and the raising and just being able to recline. Then it actually has a lock here that can hold it in place at a certain degree. So if you are in the market for an office chair, this is going to be a great buy, mainly just because it's so versatile. And it has all these little additives, such as the massaging pillow, being able to lean it back and lock it into place. So I'm real happy with what I got here. I hope you get yourself one. Thanks for watching.